Well, hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver here, and yes, finally some new video content. We've just been so busy making our own firewood and running the Pro HD XL out on some mobile job sites. You know, I've really debated about throwing the camera up and doing a video while I'm out doing the mobile processing, but when I'm also invoicing somebody for $125 an hour, I really don't want to stop production just to shoot a video. So it's kind of an ongoing conundrum. I've known two of the three last people doing it, but I don't want to pull myself away from running that and invoicing them. So anyway, but on today's video, I have two brand new packages here, never opened. I've never seen them, and nice sealed up boxes. And what we have, I was online looking at some things, and through the existing vendor that I use for the log lift and the power lift, the 6-cord and the barrow bags, we were looking for a product for another customer, and they were wanting, you know, the same kind of mosquito netting, the ventilated sides, but then also with a duffel top. And that's what's in this bag, or this box. And then the bigger box is actually the brand new bag that we've been waiting on to come in. And it's the ultra premium log lift, where it's the mosquito netting on all four sides with the unloading loops on the bottom. So that's the one that I'm really excited about. So I'll do pricing and setup in a different video, but I just wanted to unbox these because I haven't seen them yet. UPS just dropped them both off today. So my wife's down there like, dinner's going to be ready in 10 minutes. I'm like, I'm a kid at Christmas. I want to play. So here we go. So this first one's going to be the duffel top. It's supposed to be just like the log lift. Mosquito netting on the sides, that same white ventilated piece to it. Try not to cut the bag down inside the box here. So at first glance, it looks kind of similar to what we've been used to seeing. It is a red mesh on this one. So it is a duffel bottom mosquito net, and it's a mesh top. Not quite what I was expecting, but it will draw together, so it'll help transport anyway from pieces coming off the top. Don't see anything on here as far as dimensions go, but it looks to be about the same size as we're used to seeing. So I'll show you. So the same white ventilated sides. You have a drawstring here on the bottom, a little extra flap so it folds over so nothing falls out. About 7/8 of the side here is stitched. It's just this bottom little section that is not. A little label holder if you want to do that. And then it's a mesh duffel top. Pretty neat. Again, we'll have to fill it and check it out. But, oh, there's the size. So it is reading 37 by 41 by 60 tall. And I know, like with these, they blowed out quite a bit because they're supposed to be 39 by 39 by 59. So a little bit of size difference. I'll put the label here in the picture so you can kind of see one versus the other. So I'll put that over here. All right, now the mesh bags. Ooh, green straps. I love the green straps. So we get a heavy-duty nylon bottom, and the unloading loops are stitched all the way in, top to bottom, one solid strand. That's awesome. Heavy-duty bottom. And yeah, it's mosquito netted on all four sides. That is awesome. That's like an invisible bag. So cool. I like it. All right, so the tag, let's see if we kept them the same. Yep, 39 by 39 by 59. So it is the exact same size. And like I said, I know when we put the firewood in there, they do bloat out a little bit. But, you know, we've been selling the Log Lift brand bag, I want to say either the tail end of 2016, at least I know for sure 2017, because I've done the walkthrough videos where I found some from 2017. And in all of the years that we've been doing these, it seems like 2 to 3 seasons worth of use out of the bags. And at the very beginning, we figured it was going to be the mosquito netting that was going to get damaged or be the weak link in the bag. And it was actually, it's the white ventilated sides. It's like the UV hits these, and after about 3 seasons worth of use, this white gets really brittle, and it'll just get, it'll push through, or you rub up against it, or however, it'll fatigue, and that fails. But the mosquito netting, I don't think I've ever really seen it rip. So when I asked for these, really have high hopes for them, and we'll get them set up on the stand here, like I said, the next video. But that's very awesome. I like it. So put it up here so we can see them side by side. And again, it's all going to change once we get some firewood in them and get some actual measurements, because I know the Log Lift do bloat out. Even though it says 39 by 39, they're every bit of 50 inches wide once the wood goes in there and pushes out on the sides, because when I put them on the trailer, they're right there at 102. So, and that's trying to get them in there as skinny as possible. So take a minute here. I'm not sure what the pricing on them is going to be yet, and I know we have a little bit of a price bump coming, probably end of June, July, when the new order or the new inventory hits the website. We still have some of the old inventory there, so I'm not going to change anything until I absolutely have to, because we're right there like nickel and diming it with some competition where our bag is still a little bit cheaper. One thing I will say about the website, which is shaverequipment.com, if you go down there, you'll see where it says bags, and when you click on that, it'll bring up the current inventory. I don't have these on there yet because this is the first video, so I don't even have pictures yet, but they're going to be over there. One thing I will say is, at first glance on our firewood bag retail page, the price you see, it is the price that you end up paying. It's not me telling you this bag is like $7, and then by the time we hit you with the credit card fee and the shipping and whatever other nonsense the other guys do, then it ends up being $19 or $20 a bag. We throw our best foot forward first. I use an average for shipping to get around the US. Sometimes it costs me a little bit of money. Sometimes we make a little bit of money on the shipping, but I wanted something that was just going to be easy, and where somebody could look at it and go, yes, $17 a bag for this, $19 a bag for that, $11 a bag for this, and it's done. So it makes my life a little bit simpler, and that's what I'm really all about. That's why we found these bags, was just no drama, and it makes my life easier. So we tried to carry that same thought through to the website. And like I said, when you click on something and you run down the 4 different quantities, whether it's the sample or all the way down to the full pallet, the price you see on that page is the price that you pay. There's nothing hidden that when you get clicking back through things, it magically grows $10 in expenses on it. That is what it is. So just trying to keep it simple. So we'll have to name these. Let me know in the comments what you think we should do with these two, and if you like them. I know I really like this one. I'm on the fence with the red one. I'll have to fill it and see how that duffel top works. But it's still ventilated. It's still the mosquito netting. It's the same stuff that we've been using. It's just red. And again, this all mosquito netted bag, I'm liking it. So Like I said, put your thoughts down in the comments. Can't wait to see them. We're going to do some stuff over on Facebook with them as well. But for now, if we can earn your business with the sales quote, go ahead and give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And as always, my phone number is listed down in the bottom, my cell. So if you want to text me or call me on that versus the office number, it still rings on my cell, but some people like the option. So, but yeah, check out the website for all the firewood bags that we do have, and then we'll get these pictured, filled, and some more video going. But for now, our duffel top and all mesh bag. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.